Did you know that one man's gut feeling saved the entire world from nuclear war? This sounds completely made up, but it really happened. September 26, 1983. Soviet officer Stanislav Petrov is staring at computer screens when alarms start screaming. The system shows 5 American nuclear missiles heading straight for Russia. According to protocol, Petrov should immediately call his bosses. This would trigger automatic nuclear revenge strikes. World War III would begin in minutes. But something felt wrong. Petrov thought to himself, if America really wanted to destroy us, why only 5 missiles? A real attack would use hundreds. So he did something incredible. He ignored the computers and reported it as a false alarm. His hands were shaking. His career was on the line. If he was wrong, millions would die and it would be his fault. But he was right. It was just sunlight reflecting off clouds in a weird way that confused the machines. One man's decision to trust his instincts over technology literally prevented nuclear apocalypse. And nobody knew about it for decades.